You need to hear this if you're a driver who struggles with icy roads. Driving can be fun, but when roads turn into ice rinks, even seasoned drivers can struggle. The thrill of the open road can quickly turn into a nightmare when the weather takes a turn for the worse. Imagine cruising along, enjoying the scenery, and suddenly you hit a patch of ice. Your car starts to slide, and your heart races. It's a situation no driver wants to find themselves in, but it's one that can happen to anyone. That heart-stopping moment when your car starts doing the tango is enough to make anyone panic. The feeling of losing control, even for a split second, can be terrifying. Your instincts might tell you to slam on the brakes, but that can often make things worse. Instead, it's crucial to stay calm and know the right techniques to regain control. Fear not, because in this episode of GearShift TV, we're diving into the world of slippery roads. We'll explore the science behind why roads become slippery and how different weather conditions can affect your driving. From rain to sleet to snow, each presents its own unique challenges. But with the right knowledge, you can navigate them all safely. We'll arm you with the knowledge and bravery to conquer even the most treacherous conditions. You'll learn about the best practices for driving on wet and icy roads, including how to properly use your brakes, how to steer out of a skid, and the importance of maintaining a safe following distance. We'll also cover the essential safety checks you should perform on your vehicle before heading out in bad weather. So buckle up, and let's get this show on the road, shall we? Whether you're a new driver or have years of experience, there's always something new to learn about staying safe on slippery roads. By the end of this episode, you'll be better prepared to handle whatever Mother Nature throws your way. So let's dive in and make sure you're ready for anything. Welcome to GearShift TV. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Stay tuned for more exciting videos and tips on car safety and driving techniques. And remember, your safety is our priority. Follow us for more insightful content and become a part of our driving community. Before we dive into driving techniques, let's understand why cars slip. Slippage is a common issue that drivers face, especially in adverse weather conditions. Whether it's rain, ice, or mud, the underlying physics remains the same. It all boils down to friction, or the lack of it. Friction is the force that allows your tires to grip the road and provide the necessary traction for safe driving. Your car's tires keep you glued to the road through friction. On a dry road, the friction between the tires and the surface is at its maximum, allowing for optimal control and stability. When the road is wet, icy, or muddy, that friction decreases dramatically. The surface becomes more slippery, making it harder for the tires to maintain their grip. Water, ice, and snow act like lubricants, reducing grip and turning your car into a toboggan. This is why driving in such conditions requires extra caution and specific techniques to maintain control. Tires with plenty of tread are essential for maintaining grip. The tread pattern helps channel water away from the tire, reducing the risk of hydroplaning and improving traction on wet surfaces. Tire pressure also plays a crucial role. Too much or too little can reduce stability. Properly inflated tires ensure that the contact patch, the area of the tire that touches the road, is optimized for maximum grip. Now, let's move on to practical tips to avoid becoming a statistic on slippery roads. First, always reduce your speed in adverse conditions. Speeding reduces the time you have to react and increases the likelihood of losing control. Maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. This gives you more time to react if the car ahead suddenly stops or loses control. The general rule is to double the normal following distance in wet or icy conditions. Utilize your car's safety features, such as the anti-lock braking system, ABS. ABS prevents the wheels from locking up during braking, allowing you to maintain steering control. This is particularly useful on slippery surfaces. Be gentle with your steering, acceleration, and braking. Sudden movements can cause your tires to lose grip. Smooth and gradual inputs help maintain traction and control. Consider using winter tires if you live in an area with frequent snow and ice. Winter tires are designed with special rubber compounds and tread patterns to provide better grip in cold conditions. If winter tires are not an option, Ensure your all-season tires are in good condition and have adequate tread depth. Regularly check your tires for wear and replace them when necessary. Use your headlights in low visibility conditions, such as rain, fog, or snow. This not only helps you see the road better, but also makes your car more visible to other drivers. Keep an emergency kit in your car, including items like a flashlight, blanket, and first aid supplies. In case you get stuck or stranded, these items can be lifesavers. Make use of your car's traction control system, TCS. TCS helps prevent wheel spin during acceleration by reducing engine power or applying brakes to individual wheels. This is especially helpful on slippery surfaces. Electronic stability control, ESC, is another valuable feature. ESC helps maintain control during sudden maneuvers by automatically applying brakes to individual wheels and reducing engine power. Always stay focused and avoid distractions. Keep both hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Distractions can delay your reaction time and increase the risk of an accident. Regular maintenance of your vehicle is crucial. Ensure your brakes, tires, and other essential systems are in good working order. A well-maintained car is less likely to experience issues that could lead to slippage. By understanding the physics of slippage and following these practical tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and stay safe on the road, no matter the conditions. When driving on slippery surfaces, treat your car delicately. Slow down, speed increases, stopping distance exponentially. Gentle and progressive braking is your new best friend. Smooth steering is crucial. Think of yourself as a swan gliding gracefully. Maintain a safe following distance to give yourself time to react. Avoid sudden jerky movements. They are your enemy. Remember, it's all about control and finesse. Let's move on to choosing the right tires for these conditions. Let's talk tires. Having the right rubber is crucial for slippery roads. Winter tires are essential for regions with heavy snowfall. They have sipes and special tread patterns for maximum grip. All-season tires are versatile but not as effective in severe winter conditions. Regularly check tire tread depth and pressure. Invest in proper winter tires if you face regular snow and ice. Your car and insurance premiums will thank you. Even with the best tires, driving on slippery surfaces requires finesse. Smooth, gradual turns are essential. Avoid abrupt movements. Gentle and progressive braking is key. Sometimes, the best way to regain control is counterintuitive. If you understeer, ease off the accelerator and steer in the desired direction. Practice in a safe environment to master these techniques. Find an empty parking lot after a snowfall and experiment. Now let's explore how modern safety systems can help. Modern safety systems are designed to help us on slippery roads. ABS prevents wheels from locking up during hard braking. It allows you to maintain steering control. ESC monitors your car's stability and intervenes when needed. It applies brakes to individual wheels and reduces engine power. These systems assist but don't replace good driving habits. Always stay alert and drive cautiously. Let's move on to car maintenance for slippery conditions. Keeping your car in top condition is crucial for slippery roads. Regular tire checks are essential. Check pressure and tread depth. Inspect your brakes regularly, especially before winter. Check fluid levels, engine oil, coolant, and windshield washer fluid. Ensure all lights are working for maximum visibility. Proper maintenance can make a significant difference. Now let's talk about essential equipment for slippery road warriors. Stay prepared and keep your car in tip-top shape. For those who want to conquer slippery roads, equipment is key. Winter driving can be treacherous, but with the right tools, you can navigate even the most challenging conditions with confidence. Let's dive into the essential equipment every slippery road warrior should have. Tire chains provide unparalleled grip on snow and ice. They are designed to wrap around your tires, giving you the traction needed to drive safely on icy roads. Installing them might seem daunting, but with a bit of practice, it becomes second nature. Always ensure you have a set in your trunk during the winter months. A snow shovel is invaluable for digging out of snowdrifts. Whether you're stuck in your driveway or caught in a sudden snowstorm, a sturdy snow shovel can be a lifesaver. Opt for a compact, foldable model that fits easily in your car. It's not just about clearing snow, it's about ensuring you can get back on the road quickly and safely. Carry a bag of sand or kitty litter for extra traction. When your tires are spinning on ice, a sprinkle of sand or kitty litter can provide the grip needed to get moving again. It's a simple yet effective solution that can prevent you from being stranded. Always keep a bag in your trunk, especially if you live in areas prone to heavy snowfall. A winter survival kit is essential. Blankets, food, water, flashlight, first aid kit, and jumper cables. In extreme conditions, being prepared can make all the difference. Pack your kit with high-energy snacks, extra clothing layers, and a fully charged power bank for your phone. This kit isn't just for long trips. Even short drives can turn dangerous in bad weather. Be over-prepared rather than under-prepared. It's better to have too much than too little when it comes to winter driving. Regularly check your supplies and replace any used or expired items. Familiarize yourself with how to use each tool in your kit, so you're not caught off guard in an emergency. These tools can make a significant difference in emergencies. From jump-starting a dead battery to providing warmth and sustenance while waiting for help, having the right equipment can turn a potentially dangerous situation into a manageable one. Always keep your emergency tools within easy reach. Now, let's discuss common mistakes to avoid on slippery roads. Driving too fast for conditions, sudden braking, and sharp turns can all lead to accidents. Always drive at a safe speed, maintain a safe following distance, and make gentle, deliberate movements with your steering wheel and brakes. Remember, preparation and caution are your best allies on slippery roads. Let's address common mistakes on slippery roads. Speeding is the most common cause of accidents. Slow down. Avoid sudden braking. Use smooth and progressive braking. Tailgating is dangerous. Maintain a safe following distance. Overconfidence can lead to accidents. Stay alert and cautious. Distractions like mobile phones and loud music should be avoided. Keep your focus on the road and drive safely. Now, let's learn how to handle a skid like a pro. If you find yourself in a skid, don't panic. Take your foot off the gas to regain control. Steer into the skid to align the front wheels with the direction of travel. Avoid overcorrecting. Make smooth, controlled movements. Once you regain grip, gently straighten the steering wheel. Practice these techniques in a safe environment. The best way to handle a skid is to avoid getting into one. Now let's go over essential checks before braving slippery roads. Before heading out, perform essential pre-drive checks. Check tire pressure and tread depth. Ensure all lights are working for maximum visibility. Test windshield wipers for proper function. Dress appropriately for the conditions. Make sure your phone is fully charged and have an ice scraper handy. Check the weather forecast and plan your route accordingly. Be prepared and stay safe on the road. So there you have it, your guide to conquering slippery roads. Driving in adverse conditions requires respect for the road and your limitations. Use caution, common sense, and these tips to stay safe. Remember what you've learned and stay alert. Stay safe, stay alert, and most importantly, stay rubber side down. Thanks for watching GearShift TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.